For this haircut, we're going to be working on a uniform layered cut. This means all the hair around the head is pulled out at a 90-degree angle, creating a circular bubble effect. Christi starts by taking a profile section through the centre of the head. The width of this is about 1 centimetre. This sectioning pattern is continued all the way down to the nape of the neck, clipping the excess sides out of the way. To create her guideline, Christi starts at the nape of the neck, angling the hair out directly from the head at a 90-degree angle. This process continues all the way up on that profile section of hair. Notice Christi's body position changing as she moves further up the head. This is to ensure that she maintains that 90-degree angle. You can utilise your comb to check your angling and make sure that you've got that nice 90-degree shape. Now your guideline is in place, clip away the front sections of hair. You're going to work from inwards to outwards on the back section, as you've got that guideline through the centre of the hair. The sectioning that we're taking is called orange segments. Notice that after each section, Christi clips that hair out of the way once it's been cut. This is going to keep your work nice and neat and stop you cutting varying lengths throughout the hair. To check her shaping and balance, Christi cross-checks in the opposite way to which it was originally cut. So for this example, she's working horizontally up. Continue with the same technique on the remaining side. Cross-check up horizontally to check your work. Now it's time to take your front sections back down. Refind your guideline through that centre section. Once that guideline is in place, Christi works in vertical sections. We start from behind the ear, working forwards. This ensures that the back is fully connected to those front sections and maintains your balanced 90-degree angle throughout. Don't forget your horizontal cross-checking. Once all the initial length has been checked, we can now look at the face framing. Chip into those ends if you want to create more texture, like Christi's showing you now. For drying advice, check out our traditional blow drying tutorial. This is Christi's finished look. Loads of volume and height achieved throughout. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to upload all your work on Instagram and use the hashtag JetVirtual.